Abusiafo emu nua Avram bin Moshe nie. Mema mo ahwɛ video bi a yenua bɛma bi a ɔse ɔda Zongo youth ano sɛ peace dawa bibi. Me wana menya call one of the international debaters ayɛfɛ no Sheikh Awal Mohammed. Ɔmo contact Kofi TV so ɔmo frɛ me for debate. Anka yɛnyina ba bɛhyia no yɛakyerɛ adwene. Yenua bɛma no abɛkasa. Ghana fo nyina ntie. Say ɛna wɔse yɛsua de a say ɛna wɔse yɛhyɛ ideas a. Na me obi ate ase sɛ yɛmma obi hide behind any religion to intimidate common sense family. Dabi. Other religion comfortable. They be meka kyerɛ mo. Sɛ be didi osom hodo atem. Ye ndidi osom bi atem. Na yenua bɛma video no wo hwɛ wi a yenua bɛma na wɔso apologize to the Muslim community. Na or apologize to the sheikh. With all due respect, onimu nyansa nkyɛn sheikh no. Hwɛ video no. Enjoy.
Yeah, it's here for Ghana for it to say, Bibi Abakodia, Mum Tago, Biama, and Frey, Abraham B. Moshe. Say your friend, say, any what do you call it? Kofi TV or Kofi What and What or Abraham B. Moshe and what and what. All these debates are Mupesa, Womani Sheikh Mohammed Awal Eye. Obia, me Peso, Obia, share some video with mommy very quickly. Try to share this video for me.
اللهم احرسنا بعينك التي لا تنام واكفنا بركنك الذي لا يرى.
Peace Our Media, we are live. Share this video really quickly. Avram bin Moshe, today you are on Peace Our Media. I've been targeting you for many years, but I don't have time for you because you don't say you don't believe in God. You are in common sense. Today you are in a what? And logically sent to the Peace Our Media. We don't debate with somebody who don't believe in Bible and Quran.
وكم خطيئة ركبناها فلم تفضحنا وكم من خطيئة ركبناها فلم تفضحنا فيا من قل عند بلائه صبرنا فلم يخذلنا ويا من رآنا على الخطايا فلم يعاقبنا.
The Muslims only debate with the Christians who believe in Bible, who believe in Jesus Christ. We don't debate with the common sense. Try to share this video for me. Yeah, Peace Our Media. Share it to everyone.
بك ندرأ في نحره ونعوذ بك من شره ونستعينك عليه. اللهم أعنا على ديننا بدنيانا اللهم أعنا على ديننا بدنيانا اللهم أعنا على ديننا بدنيانا وعلى آخرتنا.
If you have a common sense, then you need a new brain.
ولا تكلنا إلى أنفسنا فيما حضرنا يا من لا تضره الذنوب يا من لا تضره الذنوب يا من لا تضره الذنوب ولا تنقصه المغفرة. اغفر لنا ما لا يضرك وهب لنا ما لا ينقصك يا إلهنا.
Yeah, when you come here, I'm going to make a program with my Peace Our Media. Message to Avraham bin Moshe. I never mention your name. Message to Kofi TV. I never mention your name because I don't got the time for you, these guys. I got time for sensible things. I don't have time for somebody who doesn't believe in Bible. I don't have time for somebody who doesn't believe in Quran.
ونسألك دوام العافية ونسألك دوام العافية ونسألك الغنى عن النار.
When you come to this program, I want you to share and tag Avraham bin Moshe. I never mention your name because you are baby chicken. All what you've been doing in Ghana is because of a social media. Because you are what? A baby chicken.
وصحة في الجسد وسعة في الرزق وتوبة قبل الموت وراحة عند الموت ومغفرة بعد الموت وعفوا من الحساب وأمانا من العذاب.
We only debate with somebody who believe in Bible. We debate with somebody who believe in Quran. If you believe in Bible and the Quran, then we can debate with you. But if you don't believe in nothing and you say you are using your common sense, you yourself don't even have the sense.
واغفر لنا ولوالدينا واغفر لنا ولوالدينا واغفر لنا ولوالدينا وللمؤمنين والمؤمنات.
Try to share this program for me, please. Try to share. We share our program. We start our program in a very quiet program. What up, baby? Push up in the Zoom duru.
برحمتك يا أرحم الراحمين يا رب العالمين.
What up?
ربنا تقبل منا.
The Muslims only debate with sensible people. We don't debate with common sense. We don't believe in common sense.
الرحيم واغفر لنا فإنك أنت الغفور الرحيم واغفر لنا ولوالدينا واغفر لنا ولوالدينا واغفر لنا ولوالدينا وللمؤمنين والمؤمنات وللمؤمنين والمؤمنات وللمؤمنين والمؤمنات الأحياء.
The only way you can believe in common sense is when you believe in the Bible. The only way you can believe in your common sense is when you believe in Quran. Common sense is a what? A stupid sense to you.
فاغفر لنا وارحمنا وأنت خير الغافرين أنت ولينا فاغفر لنا وارحمنا.
Sometimes we don't have time for you these guys. Momo Ghana da mudi question some Ghana. No, sometimes you know you need time or because you are just a baby chicken.
ما علمنا منه وما لم نعلم ونعوذ بك من الشر كله عاجله وآجله.
Jama Oba program we so about my share program wama. You can share this program and let's go so I can start what I'm doing.
أن الحمد لله الواحد الأحد الفرد الصمد.
Abraham bin Motion, he doesn't have no common sense. He need a new brain.
لم يكن له كفوا.
Abraham bin Motion, you need a new brain. You don't have no sense.
أن نشرك بك شيئا نعلمه.
That's your common sense. You can use it with your own people, those who don't understand what the life is about. Not with us, with the Push-Up King, the Peace Tower Media, and the Zongo community.
والحمد لله رب العالمين.
Somebody who don't believe in the Bible and the Quran, he doesn't have no sense. That's all. Assalamu alaikum wa salatu wa salam ala rasulillah. A'udhu bi kalimati Allahi ta'amati min sharri ma halak. What up? Hey, yati ya fwa muti ya wagana bibia. Ene di ebeka chi, any English. Ne ina ya kwa ano. Yasi yati tie biane na ne di ano no. Hey! Asam na aba, asam bi aba. Ewa krum ha. Asam na aba ye no. Enya asam bi asa. Just a small talk. Just a small talk. All over the places, you know, you can see, sir. You see Kofi TV. Kofi TV is hosting Avra and Bin Moshe. Kofi TV is hosting Avra and Bin Moshe and Sheikh Mohammed Awal Azaitun Dawa Institute for a debate on the 7th of what? On the 7th, where the date? 7th June. Next week, 7th June. The topic is the Quran revealed book from God? That is the topic. Is the Quran revealed book from God? Common sense, man. Even those who even wrote this thing, Mukrano, you need a new brain. Quran. And then a Uba Busai say it's a Quran, a revealed book from God. So it's a Quran, no, any Bible, no, Al-Tawrah, Injila, Zabura, all these books, no, and yan yankupon every buyer, every infant buy. Who Ankasana, who Abraham Vimoshena, who Ghana, no, Uti Ghana, Kosia Samunkwana, who do Ghana. Many times, Michelle Samayadi, Mi Palipalu, no man amao. I didn't get time to you yet. U pastor na, no Ghana, now, where no kitty, no. mama na bra from kakra December yikura me mani din wobie na nukura ka say wono no wo firi Alaba Kumasi Kantudu Gindimbola from that time no ma wo say wobie na no aka Muslim for asam bio na we Abraham from motion who kasa unkwa na wo Ghana we dede on we dede no why you know I dede I'm telling you me met me no why dede every single day met my video 20 amount oh no this guy better data our Ghana this I was friend saying before I'll come to that let me just go straight to my point before I started to drop the bombshell. This program is a 35 to 40 minute program but I will have your time. I didn't get your time yet. I'm still writing a lot of books for you. I will get your time. Because if you say you are a common sense, I will show you that you don't have a common sense. Number one, Yawana and say, Minyaba could be framing. And I pay what text me say, Wamu be a flyer. Some flyer now, Mubabeno. Wamu pesa midisha piece that one media. It's Avraham bin Moshe, any Sheikh Mohammed Awan. Be a debate. What texting me and me say okay, and am I because I debate we no. I'm on for bebre a friend long time ago. One more person sa program no ebaso. Sheikh Mohammed Awal wa bagana. Me catch no say Sheikh Mohammed Awal no. When you obia, when is Abraham Vimoshe we ever to my debate. Because you are debating with somebody who has what? Who you are the same superior or the same sizes in terms of knowledge. But Abraham bin Moshe we no. Say you kwa kajetia. Yankwala ni bi o amudina na kajetia ni bi no. Ana uko cycle yankwala na Kumasi Ghana zango no. Ube wu yankwala kitikiti no. Wamuni mbabul kakane ya diaja ma no mu. Wamuni ni edi pilolo nkwala gro ewo Ghana. Ena mi no ma edi. Enti mi wana me hu sa message ni me yedi man kasa boy ni wo mu koya flyer no me share flyer na ma wusu biti na ma yedi me kata boy ni so on frame na mo frame na mo buy from but later on when I done I have to go and shoot some program for some protest and I went out anti ya ho na mo ana uba program we so about ma share sa program na ma me why o wan share bia about ma share sa program no na enko bibia pese program na ekoso anti me ho na mo ana me hu say sa program no Sheikh Mohammed Awal ashe sa program no because you were Peace Dawa Media Group. Sheikh Mohammed Awal ankasa no ashe sa program no our Peace Dawa Media. Wo we ye no Sheikh Mohammed Awal esa ko share sa program no your friend say Zaitun Dawa Institute. You was our group no Peace Dawa Zaitun Dawa Institute. WhatsApp group. And to me WhatsApp programs and any number WhatsApp groups no me edi man kasa and me call me program and to me want me program no me also a lot of people too many calls from a lot of scholars from Ghana, American, Germany. It's too many calls by me other phone no so and me so me shoot to program no man say okay say no what I gotta do I don't know what is going on. So I said me catching me program and me pong and I'm catching program and me free so and I'm better now me can the first audio I listened to that audio is from Germany. The Zongo community from Germany, Wamo say Alifa. Sheikh Mohammed Awal, Baba program, Ghana. Kofi TV or Kofi Wine. All these people know they don't belong to us. We are Muslims. We want to stay to be in the Zongo community. We don't care about these guys, man. These guys will never take you to heaven, yo. I'm telling you to fact. Peace Dawa Media. We can take you to everywhere in your life, maybe. Baby. So into your own mona. Ebasano. And I tisa audio no. Alifa, you need to stop this program. You need to stop this program. And I see program by almost Sheikh Mohammed Awal. One Abraham. So this case is no another friend say ya man paying our Ghana. One so one Sheikh Mohammed Awal number. No one say me Sheikh Mohammed Awal nam. Me one of those advisors, students and advisors of Sheikh Mohammed Awal nam. Obiani mewaha. So I have to stop this program because Sir Abraham bin Moshe no were a baby Emma Malam. And I say I no cry. And I so we are me phone calls. Say see na ma fresh check. Ya imam ba ko e wa America ha. One so frame me. Me frame Malam, me say Malam. Make it a fear. What is going on? Malam Salifa. Sir Abraham bin Moshe when one Malam be debate on what? And my DM is okay, no problem. I will get back to you, these guys. Me we are too many messages flowing all over the place. My phone calls everywhere. And I'm going to say, Sir Abraham bin Moshe and Kasano. One no, my any timetable lady I see all the dada. But I didn't get the time for him yet. Because one no, Jimmy, Abraham bin Moshe no, Jimmy was so a common sense. But I think this guy need a new brain. He need a new brain. Somebody who doesn't believe in God, who doesn't believe in Bible, who doesn't believe in Quran. What I gotta do with him, this guy? I can't debate with somebody who don't believe in Bible. I'm a Muslim. But the Muslims and the Christians, we are in the interfaith. We are like this. Just a small portion of it. Because the Christians believe in God, we believe in God. Some of the Christians, they say, oh, Jesus is God. Some of them, not all of them. Some of them say he's a prophet. But all this is okay. We go with the Christians and everything. We go interfaith. Interfaith. We got, what do you call it, in the same portion or everything. But this Sir Abraham bin Moshe, you know, Sir program, you know, me, from the Peace Tower Media and the Zongo community in Ghana at large, we will stop this program. And to one Coffee TV or so Coffee Wano, Sir Abraham bin Moshe, any Coffee TV now, Marco planning Sir program well. Sir program no. And yes, a malam no, one Abraham bin Moshe, and to me, yede, and to me, and yo, me. I stand for the Zongo community in Ghana. I cancel it. The Peace Tower Media Management, we cancel it. Peace Tower Media scholars, advisors, we cancel it. Zaitun Dawa Institute Management, we cancel it. Zaitun Dawa Media and everyone from Nigeria, because the Zaitun Dawa Institute, many people, 90% of those people who are on our WhatsApp group are from Nigeria. They are the one who are holding Sheikh Mohammed Awal. We have cancelled it. So I call Sheikh Mohammed Awal. I talk to him right now. I just talked to Sheikh Mohammed Awal almost 20 minutes ago. I said, Sheikh, must stop one program now. Sheikh, and a Sheikh say, I don't think I'm stop a program. I say, Sheikh, oh no, we are international preacher or international malam or international dialoguer. Sir Abraham bin Moshe we no one me ba ewa Ghana me ba Abbas me ba kitikiti no one no na esa one ni nye. But Sir Sheikh Mohammed Awal no one mufti Mek and they the same ay one Sheikh Zakir Naik and they the same ay. Sir Abraham we no were baby chicken, were toilet paper, were zao kawai. Abraham bin Moshe no only Sheikh Mohammed Awal. You cannot debate with Sheikh Mohammed Awal. He is more superior than you and everywhere. So Sheikh Mohammed Awal, I stand on behalf of the Ghana, Zango, the whole Zango. Yes, we have cancelled that program from Coffee TV. So anywhere you see that flyer, that program has been cancelled by me. Mon cancellation. We have cancelled it. Yes, and Sheikh Mohammed Awal, he will listen to us and he knows he has accepted it immediately. Do you know how we suffer with our scholars? How about my family? Obi awase one Bible inji, one Bible indi, one Wendi, one Quran indi. What me be the Muslim for them? What me be the Christian for them? Pastors now more Ghana ni na. What did you matter? Was it pastors for edu collection? No more one so. What telling you? Edge discuss or person will be a TV station. Yours, what you are doing and the one the pastors are doing, what is the difference between that? Abraham bin Moshe, I'm giving you a warning. Stay away from our Zango community. Abraham bin Moshe, I'm giving you a warning. Stay away from the Muslims. Stay away from us. That's all. We don't want to hear anything from you. If you have a common sense, we have a what? A logical sense. We don't believe in common sense. Common sense doesn't exist. Someone who don't believe in Bible, who don't believe in Quran, and you say you have a common sense, you need a new brain. Because uti with social media, now we are pata. Yo, me me know why they do social media 1 month. Ukran who discount beto if it's a credit and if it's a call if it's a minute. A day met my video 20, but we don't have time for you. Abraham B. Moshe, we don't have time for you. Sir, you know, you cancel no. And yes, a man, I want to be in debate too. Yes, I'm go for. I cancel no. If you don't like it, suck your mama's breast. You cancel some program no. Who Abraham B. Moshe? Abraham B. Moshe. Who but me? Any Sheikh Mohammed Awal. Now wamu kwatina sikura wamu kwa shisha sano manu kura say yembe sa debate no kura. You have even disrespected Sheikh Mohammed Awal. Can you go to Sheikh Zakir Naik or Sheikh Mufti Menk and tell Mufti Menk or Zakir Naik you want to debate Abraham B. Moshe? I'm asking you. Sheikh Mohammed Awal, he is in the same way or the same level with Sheikh Zakir Naik. Even most of them, they're scared of Sheikh Mohammed Awal. But we the Ghanaian people, we don't respect our scholars. Majority of us. But Antisa Abraham B. Moshe, we know, sa program, we have cancelled it. Cancel. We have cancelled the program. And to Coffee TV, oh, so we no way, sa Jimmy Samano, Mamu Fasa Jimmy Samanin Bioso. Mamu Fasa Jimmy Samanin Bioso. Muka said, yeah, Growahana. We are into business, man. We are into religion. Yeah, Muslim for we don't care. What my Didia Tamian care? Zango for Didia Tam, we don't care. You don't even have to like the Zango people anyway. You don't have to love us. You don't have to do anything about the Zango community. And to also who are common sense for common sense and for Kotina Ufie. Coronavirus by common sense no way. One question with them. Upie. Come baby up coronavirus. Patient to no hospital no. For common sense in the Kotina way. Who common sense in the coronavirus by no one question fee. O common sense in the buy no coronavirus by one question fee. Mamu fight Jimmy form. Sam mo amusu so sa Jimmy form for esukura mo kwasa Abraham B. Moshe we wo yansa bia wo de be ma obi. Who just say we wo yansa bia wo timi dia ma. The program has been cancelled. We cancel it. Come on, that's it. We cancel that program. Sheikh Mohammed Awal, is it your size to debate with him? You are asking if the Quran is revealed by God. Who revealed the Quran? You, somebody who cannot read the Quran. How can I debate you? Can you read the Quran in Arabic? No. You don't even speak a proper English. Sheikh Mohammed Awal has been in the whole United States debating big pastors. Caribbean, Canada, everywhere, Nigeria, everywhere, Jamaica, Liberia. He has been debating the whole world. And baby chicken in Ghana, uti would die kitibia, and once and in 52. Uti would our program cra, and once and in Amoswa, also Yambe debate. We debated with somebody who has a common sense. Who has a sense? But I know Jimmy, who Nilama, who so we are Abraham B. Moshe, we are Yanu Beya Ibiawaha, Menu Beya Ibiaman, men found Jimmy Samuel from Mbazango. Yanu Betmayo. Abraham, why a long time? We just keep quiet and watching you. Because we don't want to give you exposure. We don't want to give you more people. I never mentioned me and Kasano. Mintan tag you obidi our page so. Because when I tag you on my page, you're gonna get a lot of followers. I don't want you to get followers. And to Unu Coffee TV now, and I just did it because I don't have no choice. I don't have time to even mention their names. Unu Coffee TV now saying yeah, because I somehow call the Emma for attacking. But we don't have time for that. We don't have time for that bullshit anymore. Yeah, Muslim for yeah, baby. Yeah, no be a debate biya. Debate and Kayam Islam crown. But Sir Upe said, only Sheikh Mohammed Awal a debater. Just tell us you believe in Bible. You believe in Quran. If you believe in these two books, then we can debate with you. Even not Sheikh Mohammed Awal. we will go to the Kajetia, ana Nima, Accra, ana Kumasi, area, no yawan young kola kiti bi ho, woman in Bible, they said woman yabe 25 years. Yabet mama only o my, Bashak Mamma the hour there, where paying you, where paying you, for way, bola, and you who fin and for free alcohol. For bola, and for free alcohol. For bola, and for free alcohol. Ah. Aya jam Ghana government jam Ghana obia enye social media no obia betena social media bia abekika kwasa asem bia opebia without the social media kura no who even knows about Avraham bin Moshe. Who are you? I am nobody either. Without even social media, there's a lot of people who don't even know me. There's a lot of people who don't even care about me. Even you the same way. Who know why? Who Avraham bin Moshe? Who you why? Why you did there were Christian for pity. Pastor, where you say, Pastor, where there be a problem. Every day, Ghana, Wamaja usa Jimmy Sam kwa. Jimmy Sam. But me first Jimmy Nim from Bazango. No, me a Zango new. I'm proud to be a Zango guy. Never change my situation. I love to be in Zango. My community, I love it. I love Zango community. I will die and die for Zango community. That is what we are. That's all. Mubetima baha na ma didi atam because una wo be type didi atam bia no uno wankasa no watch me so unim say wo so we real to me like me say na be ya video ma ba wo ko comment Jimmy comment dia yansa bia nim come face to face and face us and then we put your face on Facebook. That is what we do. Come and face to face and we put your faces on Facebook. That is what we do, but we don't have no time to battle with the people. Sheikh Mohammed Awal wano when you are into Coffee TV, sa no cancel no. Ko you free o page no so. Obi anyi sa free the page no so. Ah, Sheikh Mohammed Awal where small boy ma. O what me Sheikh Mohammed Awal. I debate. Fa on free o ko no a. O Jimmy sama wo de tete social media na wo ye de bia wo ye on fa yansa bia mba. O ba o si pastors for we, edisaska we, pastor for we, adiska. Now so was also ankasa wa ba say mobile money number ni yemfa sa scan ka show na umbie TV station Jimmy Sam kwa Jimmy Sam before you talk about somebody let your watch your life be real. Remember Gina Facebook remember the debate yenu woni malam awal bia be debate bia yam be debate yenu be debate bia fa you free wo kono debate bia ni ho but wono me church wono my mouth me nyanya with time. O common sense no. Yebema hon say common sense doesn't exist. See a coronavirus by na one show them. Pie kwai. For common sense no call hospital. Maybe a coronavirus for le no. Ko on mu kwachi na hoy. Ala. Debate yani malam I be debate. Who kasa malam awal. One way. Why international malam? It's an international malam. I'm telling you. When he moved to men kini Sheikh Zakir Naik muna ye type. Woman Quran, woman Srono. Sheikh Mohammed Awal, when your baby chicken like Ibisano. Muni namoneni mu TV station, muni nam, obia be a Facebook, namu, ye yakosa, some honomono, and ye, men from Bazango. Men for Jimmy Salmon Bazango, what the Bazango, you will never regret it. For Jimmy Salmon to know fear. Ah, Sheikh Mohammed Awal, bet me actual idea from class 1 up to university. Do you know who Sheikh Mohammed Awal? Ah, one program sa debate no krano. You have disrespected Sheikh Mohammed Awal for attaching Sheikh Mohammed Awal photo with Avraham because Sheikh Mohammed Awal one name Avraham. One name no. So into one say bia Avraham is a big man bi. Avraham is a baller one nam kajet ya baller. Why baller one nam Accra ni say ifa na otio. Baller only the baby awati kura wakasa kura ni asami na Jimmy Sam kwa. Mimi who make sense bia. Oba and no a jump aqua politics. Ochina no aqua ochina. He doesn't stay in one place. All these guys are more social media, Jimmy. Ah. Take it. If you believe, say Bible ni Quran no. Enya. Take yours. Lakum dinukum waliya din. Take yours and I take mine. There's no force in religion. There is no force. La ikra'a fi din. Your Quran say La ikra'a fi din. There is no force in religion. You cannot force anybody to like what you want. You cannot force me to be a Christian, and at the same time, I cannot force a Christian to be a Muslim. We don't do any debate with somebody who don't believe in Bible and Quran. If you believe in Bible and the Quran, then we debate with you. But if you don't believe in that, we don't have no time for you. We don't have time. But we say, you know mo enya, obatimaba. Jimmy Fonkwa, Bakukura ba say what did atem? Jimmy for mami block you na kwada. Yeah, ukasa say ye Jimmy netina yeti hanumu. Ukasa di Jimmy netina. As Abraham motion on we answer be no wa, obetimi teach pastors for na mo Ghana no. Yansa be no. Pastors for na bobo na fana tutu from wo be na obetina Facebook de o sha we no yi. Yeah, we are serious about something. Until the Majam was say, now Abraham, we have your time. I'm writing a lot of things about you. And to Coffee TV, say Abraham, so whatever it is, so our program, you are cancelled now. You are cancelled our program now. We have cancelled it. Yeah, I cancelled that program. We have decided to cancel that program. Common sense. Assalamu alaikum.